Bali babes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today we're in Pompano Beach, Florida, and we're at the Salvation Army. This one is huge, so it's really exciting because look, it's massive. And I'm here with Christian. So we're just gonna look around. Are we looking for anything in particular?
I don't think so.
Okay, maybe some cute dresses. Yeah. Hey girl, how you doing? You walking away from me? It's supposed to be like a little robe.
No, it's like
It actually is really cute. Look,
it has buttons.
like buttons.
I think it's missing, but it's supposed to be like this.
Oh, so it is like a little. Okay, well, that's a no because we want all the buttons handy. You guys know how much I love Hawaiian print, and I just found these. They're so cute. Hopefully they fit though. I think they're a size. Oh, they're a size 8, so they might actually fit. Oh, what did you find? Oh, okay, okay. See, my friends know me. Look at what she found. Look at those pants. Look at these pants. Not those. These. What is that?
Printed denim.
Oh no!
But
Wait,
it's like Roxy.
Ew. Bro, what the heck? This is ratchet. Oh my god.
No, I think it's like a very.
It's like swimsuit material.
Yeah, I think it's like board shorts.
They're like fake distressed. Oh my god, that's too much. Wait, is the strap broken? I can't tell. What's... Oh no, this is like a waist strap, so it's actually not broken. This is really cute. Like, look. Cheetah print. Oh, there's multiples. Okay. This is really cute. Is it 59 cents? Yeah, we're gonna buy these hats. Like, these are so cute, matching hats. Oh, okay. Man, we're so cute. Look at this.
My head too big for this.
I feel like mine is too, and I have my little clippies in, but you know what? It's cool. We're living our best lives. We're gonna get these. You look so cute. Your head's not too big. Once I take my clips off, my head won't be too big, or let's at least hope for that. Okay, I see you.
What does this look like?
Oh, swaggy. Okay, swag queen. They're literally a size 17.
Yeah.
What the heck? Bro, they were not playing around. I like all their beach shoes. See, if I could find more of these, I kind of want to find more of these ones because I really like these. Platform shoes.
These are cute pumps. Like, what are these called?
Like, these are kind of the vibe too, but no, actually, just kidding. Shoes. Oh, these are actually pretty cute. Ooh. Look at. This is kind of what I wanted, but are they my size? I don't know. Let's try. show you guys real quick. Feet modeling, yes. Oh, pink polos. Oh, wait a minute. This is a vibe for sure. This is very Stussy, I feel like. See, these fit, but they're just not that cute. Like, look.
Yeah, like they're
Like if
it's almost.
yeah,
But it's not quite.
yeah,
Maybe
almost, but
higher, like it's right here.
or maybe cut off this part
Yeah.
a little bit. Yeah, see, they're not really the. Unfortunately, when I was packing, I packed everything besides sneakers, so that's something I can definitely try to find here. These fit, they're adorable. Family, let's look. Fancy. $8. $8. You found us fits? What you mean? Ha! She found us matching neon dresses.
I have to wear the tied one.
Vibe,
Too
vibe.
short. They got hoods.
Bro, we're ready for Miami.
Or like,
This looks nice. Like it looks like you could actually swim in this without worrying about anything coming out.
yeah.
Nice full coverage modest swimsuit, and it's only $3.99. Okay, should we grab our hats and peace out? Okay. We're now at St. Vincent De Paul. Yeah. Huh?
I hate people like that.
Hey, people, like what?
Like her, she was like
Oh, just-
yelling across.
Oh,
the
annoying.
store.
Oh yeah, right there. Right there. Ooh, these are like towel shorts, like terry cloth shorts. I kind of like these, and they're also Calvin Klein, which is cool. I see you in that. Yes, I see that. That's what
Christmas
you're wearing.
party?
That's what you're wearing next Christmas, right?
Yes.
We're kind of sitting here because we don't know why the prices are so expensive in Florida. Can someone tap in, explain? Because we don't get it. And they don't really have any sales either from what I'm seeing, so I don't know why that's the case. But these are cute. These are kind of cute. I will give it to them though. This store actually has a lot of really cute like 90s-esque shoes. And they got good 90s bops also. So there's that.